222 feet. I can't believe how flat it is. What?
You know it's that much feet? Sharks can be all the way down there.
It's okay. We're not going in the water. We're just fishing.
Are you ready to swim?
She's driving.
We should have some of these ready with squid too in case. Can I have a...
Tell me what to do.
Here, grab this. Hold on, this one over here is freaking...
They caught a dolphin or mahi mahi. I don't know, but it has to be a mahi mahi or dolphin. So dolphin or mahi mahi.
Oh yeah, you see him jumping?
Yeah.
Oh, I see one down there.
That one's on here.
Are you gonna leave it in the water though?
You try. But we're crossed. Bring that other rod this way. I don't know because I don't see his school.
Look,
I don't want to
mahi mahi.